Hi, this is Jussi Kaela of 3DBear. I'm here in the Vocational Institute studying ammattiopisto in car repair study line, and 3DBear has installed an immersive space within the premises. Let me just introduce you to that. So here we find 3DBear's immersive space, which has full-blown VR equipment and AR equipment for car repair applications. Here we see a car repair student modeling car parts in VR and learning about repair without actually needing to be at the engine room. And here we see the devices. We have a VR headset, both mobile and more powerful one connected to a computer. And then we have an AR modeling space for car repair. You see there's no car here. There's a car here with the old-fashioned note post-its everywhere. But here you can do the same in augmented reality. Finally, we have immersive space instructions, which enables creation of such an immersive space.